Magnetic Swivel Dash Mount, CNC machined aluminum swivel includes a powerful neodymium magnet to hold your smartphone securely in place and 3M VHB adhesive to ensure maximum mount adhesion to your car or truck's dashboard. Easy to install, simply clean the dashboard with the supplied wipe and firmly press it in the desired spot for 1 minute. For best results, allow the 3M to cure for 72 hours. Before adding your phone. Dashboard mount compatibility, compatible with all Rokform magnetic cases, but also includes 2 metal plates enabling universal mounting capabilities for any smartphone or smartphone case. Magnetic technology, specially designed neodymium magnet will not negatively impact your GPS, credit cards, Wi-Fi, Apple Pay, Bluetooth, camera, or data transfer. Rokform warranty, we offer a 2-year warranty on our entire catalog, along with 5-star customer support. If you have any issues with your purchase, please let us know, and we will fix it. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy. Rokform seems to have the best products. I've got their magnetic phone case, magnetic speaker and this phone mount. All very strong magnets. I've never had my phone case come off the magnet and I've got a Jeep I can take anywhere. I use the phone case on my side-by-side cage and it adheres solid. Great company with great products.